In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a perfect cover photo, so basically a banner for your Facebook account. So this is very easy to do, and we're going to use a website called canva.com. So first go to the website canva.com, and we are going to create the cover photo from here. So as you can see, here, this is the cover photo I'm currently using, and I'm also going to show you what the exact cover photo size is for Facebook. So first go to Canva and then hit create a design, and then you want to type in Facebook and then cover. As you can see, this is it, and this is the exact size. So it's 1640 by 924. We can hit it, and as you can see, this is the size. And now you can select some covers that we want. So for example, this template, this already looks great, so you can just change it however you want, but there are a lot of very good templates that you can use for free. So let's say we want to use this one, then you can hit download at the top here and hit download, and I was going to prepare, and there we go, it has been installed. So now we can go back to our Facebook account, and then we can hit edit cover photo. So hit it and then upload a photo, and then select the name. So let's select, it was entitled design. This was the name. There we go. And now it's going to load. As you can see, we can still drag it like this, but this is how it looks, and it's absolutely great. If this video helped you out to create a perfect cover photo for your Facebook account, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.